yeah, we're nighttime riding. Haven't done this in a while. I never really rode at nighttime before, so I'm trying it right now. Seeing how it is. It's a little foggy outside because there's so much humidity outside, man. It's crazy. Because of the rain and everything, man. This weather really sucks over here in the state. It's not good at all. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, but it's super foggy. I can barely see right now because of the fog. Damn, this shit's too foggy. I feel like it's about to come off, bro. This is the street that's usually popping over here, so let's see what's going on. Of course it's a girl. That's just crazy. Yeah. Yo. Hey, we got the bikers out here. My bad.
What is that, a Ninja?
Yeah, no, a Yamaha.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, R7.
My camera, yo, that shit. How you doing? Yo, I love that shit, bro. Yo. I like the light, bro. This is fire, bro.
Yes, sir.
Damn.
Yeah, that's nice, man.
How you doing, buddy?
What's up, man?
Alex.
Kelvin, man.
Yeah.
Peter,
How
man.
you doing, Alex?
Alex, nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
You put the lights at the bottom. That's just nice.
Yeah, I put those on my cell phone there, man. You gotta get creative, you know?
Man, I see you got a GoPro.
Yeah, man. Of course.
I have a GoPro. I just didn't bring it out tonight.
I post on YouTube.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
You got a TikTok?
Yeah, too. Yeah, both,
yeah,
bro.
yeah, let me follow you.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, I do too. Yeah.
Yeah, I do too.
Oh, yeah.
I'm about to ride back all the way to Worcester, man.
I know, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, hopefully in the rain is.
Yeah, that's kind of far.
Yeah, we rode out here. We like the long rides, man. Yeah.
This one right here.
Yo, man, I got you, bro.
Yeah.
I do the same thing. I do. Oh shit, that's cool. That's fine, bro.
Yeah, I'm mostly on YouTube though. Like that's my main shit.
Word.
Yeah, I'm like
got
working
you,
on the
bro.
YouTube. You guys got all the way to Worcester, bro. That's late. I wish I could. I live right here, so I don't have to ride on.
Now, we ride far. We like 3 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours. We go deep.
I like going to Connecticut a lot.
Yeah.
For like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
I like riding far.
Yeah.
You guys,
Especially
I like your shit, man. That shit's fly.
Yo, this is a fine, man. This is mine.
Okay, yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah, man.
You be going fast, huh?
Oh, yeah, we be going fast, man.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. This is sick.
I don't like to bend, I like to sit up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yo, yeah, you can ride forever on that thing.
Yup.
Hell
That's
yeah.
exactly what I wanted.
Yeah, I love it. It's beautiful, man.
Thank you, man. I appreciate
I know it's fast, too.
it. Oh, yeah, it's fast.
Oh, yeah.
It's fast for sure.
Oh, yeah. Mine's not that fast.
No, yours is fast. Well, how many cc's?
It's 700, but it's slow.
Damn, that's it.
Yeah, but it's slower than the R6.
No, it's not slower than R6.
Yeah, it is.
R6, I rode an R6. R6 is fast.
Yeah, this is slower.
How is it slower than an R6?
It's slower by like 15 miles per hour.
Oh shit, for real?
Yeah.
My probably picks up faster.
Yeah, it has more torque.
More
like,
torque, yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
What's going on, man? How you doing? Everybody, see how you make friends over here? Hello. Where you going, everybody?